Good morning, everyone. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. Type hashtag replay. I know it's a little early today, but I have so many things lined up for that today. So I thought I will finish that because I have to pick the winner for the hair care raffle, which I spent almost 2 hours yesterday just to count everybody's entries and entering each one and making sure I have covered each post so that I don't miss it. So after that only I realized I packaged already all of them. So if the winner is still there, I can even open theirs and pack it along with it and share it. So first thing I wanted to say is thank you so much for whoever took time to wish me yesterday. It means a lot because as I was working 3 years now, I never challenged myself to do something like that. So it has become part of my everyday routine now that I know I show up every day. I think I have even said to many people, because they always ask me, how do you get ready every day? I'll be like, similar to how you go to office, or how do you do your household chores or brushing your teeth. This is my job, so I show up every day. So it was a fun surprise for me to see that I won against every team member against the world. So it was like a very surprise. I know it's a raffle, but still I think hardly 14 people completed out of those many people. So out of that, it was a surprise for to see my name got picked. And if you see, actually I was given one more opportunity prior to that, where they asked us to go live 30 days straight. And they said the price was one-on-one with our CEO Joni. And in that case, it is not even one person. Whoever completes that was got the opportunity to do one-on-one with Joni. This happened a little while ago, like maybe last May I would say. If I didn't even attempt it, if you ask me, I don't know why I didn't do that time. It is such a wonderful opportunity to have a one-on-one conversation with the CEO. I have met her once, but she took time to talk to every single person who completed that. Think of about each employee across the world. She made sure she spoke to everybody. I missed one of those golden opportunities. So when my upline offered this, I was like, I need to do it. Somehow I missed that. So I need to do this one at least. Whether I win the raffle or not, at least for my sake, I wouldn't feel bad like how I do now. So that's how I did. So thank you so much for cheering me. Without you guys, I don't think I will come up with every day with some ideas to do. So thank you so much for that. And the next one is, obviously I need to talk about the Silk promo, because Silk is one of my favorite. If you see, this is my own bottle and you can see how much I have used. This is one favorite thing about our bottles. Ours comes with something called airless pump. So it scrapes out every single bit of it. So you will be able to use everything. Thank you so much, Ekta, actually. So Silk is our primer. It's a mattified primer. So I know many of you have a question like, I will break out if I use a primer. You will not, because all our foundation, CCTM and primers, they all are non-comedogenic. That means they won't clog your pores and make you break out. So when you pick a product, you need to make sure they are not clogging your pores. That's when you will start to break out. So this is such a wonderful product to grab, because it's $60 value for $100 order. So think of it, it's more than 50% you're getting back. So, and with online orders, anyway, free shipping on $100 or more. So you have, if you are a Kiss and Tell member, or if you want to become one, you still pay the $10 once a year, but you still get 10% even in this order. So it, anyway, it equalizes it. Whether you do it as a CDO or as a Kiss and Tell member, you are still going to get the benefits out of it. And you get completely free product which you can use every single day whether you use makeup or not. This product is called Silk Pore and Wrinkle Minimizer because it has ingredients that is going to help close the pores size, and also it has ingredients that will like reduce the fine lines and wrinkles. So even the day you don't use foundation or CCTM, you can still use it as a last step after your day moisturizer, and you will use like just like a tiny bit and apply all over and spread it across, and that's how it will going to fill in the pores and make it like a mattified look, and it's not going to be oily at all. So if you are looking one, please do grab. And thank you so much for whoever has already grabbed. I am already 4 down out of the 9 which I was challenged to. I have time till 14th. Hope I win this, and if we are winning, we will do a raffle again. Since it's like Valentine's Day, one of my customer already said, she said, I told my husband that it is my Valentine's Day gift, so I'm grabbing it early. So what a fun way. Think you are grabbing even a gold mask or a resurfacer, which these two will be there for you to, at least I would say resurfacer will be for 8 to 9 months minimum, because you are going to use only twice a week and you are going to use only this much of the product for your entire face. I always get a question, will this be enough for your my entire face? But once you start using, you will realize how much improvement you will get from that tiny size. So this bottle will be lasting so long, and even your husband or anybody, whether you have a teen, anyone can use it. It's like a quick facial. You can do it for yourself, or if you're gifting someone, this is such a perfect product that they will get hooked on. They will use it for so long and they'll be thankful for you. And the second one is again like our gold mask. Look at the fun way. If you always have a habit of gifting your loved ones, this is such a good way to grab one. If you think these two gifting 2 people, you get your silk for free. So these are $50 each, and you already met the $100, and these are for every skin type, no matter what, whether you are dry skin type, whether you are normal to oily line, everyone can grab these two. Our gold mask is made with 24 karat gold, and it helps to firmness and reducing pores, all those amazing stuff. Similar way, exfoliating is a must have, whether you are in your 20s, whether you are in 40s, doesn't matter at all, because we all constantly produce dead skin cells. It's like part of our regular routine. So you need to remove that dead skin cells for your skin to look better. Otherwise, that's how your skin is going to look flaky, or if your skin is looking dull, then it's time for you to exfoliate. So whenever you go for a facial, when you come back, you feel like your face is very soft and it's it's clean. That's because they have used the scrubs to clean out all the dead skin cells. Now you have, being COVID anyway, you are not stepping out much. This helps you to achieve it in such a quick, fun way. So grab these while available, because these, once you start using these products, you will come back again and again and see how much improvements it can do to your face. So that's second thing. What else? I have all my notes here, so forget me what I want to cover. And yeah, once we clear out the board for 9 people, I will definitely do a raffle for a fun giveaway. So that's from my week. And the hair care week, thank you so much. You all enjoyed, because see, it's not easy to explain everything in one day or one time. That's why I try to cover it in a longer period of time. So when you can always go back and refer to it. These are sulfate free, paraben free, phthalate free, and what else? They are gluten free, they are animal byproducts free, they are vegan products. So when you are moving to a sulfate free shampoo, it's a transition time, because we all are used to having so much lather to feel like it's cleansing, but it will always strip out. So having a sulfate free shampoo even for kids is such a nice way to introduce. So but there is a transition time. You will understand how much you need to use it and what is the better way to use it. That's why I ran the hair care week for a whole time, and thank you so much for everyone participated it. I have like I made sure like I counted every single entry, whether you liked, commented, whether you did any poll. I spent almost 2 hours yesterday to just find every single one and entered all of those, and the winner gets to take this bag free. So it comes with a hairband, it comes with a wet hairbrush, and comes with the tie. If you haven't used invisible bobble, this is one way to reduce hair fall again, because these are not going to pull your hair, so that's why I included that. And I think that's it. So I think the earring is missing. I will find it and send it along with it. I have to find the earring since it was along with my package. I think I couldn't, so I need to add a leather earring for that. And let me show you how many people participated in that. And I have all your entries here. So the reason I did this early live is again to pick the winners, because that way if the winner has already ordered, my stockpile order is going in now today because it's already packed and ready. So I thought if one of the winner is in there, then I can add these packages to that. So are you ready to pick the winner? You can see how many names are there. I was literally sitting like reading each and everybody's comments yesterday. So let's pick it. Good luck to everyone who participated. Let's see who is winning. Even I couldn't. Oh, Anu. Anu, you are the winner. I think Anu won last time too. So Anu, you are so lucky. I think you are going to enjoy that. So I will be sending you a package soon along with all these gifts. Anu was like so curious on everything. She learned so much and she is always inquisitive and answering questions. So Anu, congratulations once again. And if you are new to the group, I know we grew almost 100 people in last 2 months, I would say. Yeah, last 2 months we grew almost 100 people. So welcome to the group. And I know there are like tons of videos and posts for you to go through. And one more thing I do every month is I do a top contributor raffle every first, almost whenever I hop on, mostly try to do on the first. So always make sure you like the post, commenting and participating the things that's happening, because it's not from me. Facebook will show whoever has participated. So from there I will pick the top contributors, because I will be able to see that from Facebook generated one. So I pick a winner every month from there and give a fun raffle for them. And the second one is, thank you so much everyone who is doing the Senalook along with me, because the reason I did that Senalook for the whole month is to understand and make you feel easy to travel inside the Senalook, because it's a virtual app, so you are not going to take tons of time to even take a picture. I always like when you take it against a sunlight, like how I do it, because that way you can see the color on you. I still understand it's not going to be 100% accurate, but at least you know the name of the color and what is the color group. And similar way you can do shadow sense colors, you can do eyeliners, you can do blush. There are tons of things you can explore in there. So you can always refer and have something in mind. And if I don't know whether you have explored, there is even a space where it has like a whole look, like it will have eye look, lip look, everything. That way you will know what lip look goes with an eye look. So there is so many things that you can do with Senalook. That's the reason I included that to do this month. So if you haven't participated, you can still do. You can always how much time it's going to take, like to take pictures, like, and you are not going to physically change it. It's a virtual, so you can still participate. And I will be doing another winner from there too. I like to do these things because it keeps them a way for me to give back to the customer. At the same time, I get to see them every day, so that's another fun thing. So if you haven't participated in the Sana look, please do. There is a post which has like a calendar where every day there is a look, either a lip sense or a gloss look. So it is like you can do it. Maybe we need to do like a shadow sense one for next month. That will be even fun, because that way you get to try shadow sense each day one color. That will be a thing I need to post. So let's see how it goes. And the next thing, I think I already covered. If you haven't enrolled in Kiss and Tell, Kiss and Tell is an online preferred customer program. It's $10 for whole year. It is like an Amazon membership, I would say. It's like a Costco membership, something like that. So it's $10, but you get 10% off every single order and free shipping on $100 or more. And you can refer your link to your friends, and if your friend orders through your link, you get I think Kiss credits, that's what they call. So it is like literally $1 equal to 1 Kiss credit, reverse way, 1 Kiss credit equal to $1, so you can use it. And same way, when you order 3 months consecutively for $100, you get again $15 back to your account. So if you are someone who always stocks up on skincare, then it's a really nice way for you to use it. Only difference is it ships directly from Senegens. So the difference is when I pack, I can add samples. But when it comes from Senegens, I will not be able to add anything. And what else? Yes, and Kiss and Tell was recently introduced in October, so they are trying to bring more promotions to include in that, and there will be promotions specifically to Kiss and Tell or online purchase. So that's how this silk promo has come to. So it's not from me, so Senegens brings that. And the other thing is, I will also come to know the same day as you guys get to know. So for example, if the promo starts on 4th or 1st, I will also come to know when I get up in the morning on the 1st, because I am a customer to Senegens, so Senegens will let me know only on that day that this promotion is going to run from 1st to 14th or something. So then I get to immediately post the same day, so you can utilize that. So the silk promo is, I think it ran from 4th or something to 14th. So you still have how many days? Today is 10th, so you still have 5 more days. I think it ends on Sunday night, California time. So you have 5 more days for you to utilize the promo. So that's the other thing. And last one is obviously the packages are all done. Let me show you. Yesterday I spent my whole evening. Every single package who has ordered for the the stock sale, everything was packed and ready to hit. That's the reason I did my live also early today. Anyway, I will do before 10, but I'm just saying. So once I do finish that, I'm running to the post office so that I can drop all of these for you, and that way you get to enjoy all these goodies, whatever you have ordered for. Hopefully they reach before Valentine's Day, and you can get ready for Valentine's and enjoy a kiss-proof lip sense before that. So have a wonderful day. I'll always be available to reply back in your phone or WhatsApp or whatever it is. If you are new, you can always do a video call if you want me to suggest products, whether it's a makeup or any colors. And as I said, even if you tried in Sana look, you can always ask me for pictures where I wore the color, or where I have a picture where it is in different skin tones. And similar way, I can always swatch it, show you the tube, all those stuff. So that's it. And I have started using the new rejuvenating age, what is that called, anti-wrinkle serum. So I'm very excited. I'm going to use it for a few days before I make the video. So that came along with my package. I know many of my customers already started before me, because when I received my last package, last one was grabbed. So I didn't get an opportunity for it to try until now. So from yesterday night, I started using it, and I will share my review along with the goodness of the product soon in a video. Have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon.